Hi. This is 1500 volt DC rated 24 in 1 hour solar string command box with string monitoring unit. We will explain the components of string command box. Here first we will see we have used 3 numbers of polycarbonate enclosure and combined together. Here the positive, negative and output are separated. This is polycarbonate enclosure tested for IP65 and an impact resistance rated for IK10, and it is certified to IEC 60529. Next we will see the fuses. This is 1500 volt DC rated 30 amps fuse holder. The short circuit capacity is of 30 kiloampere. This fuse holder is touch safe fuse holder which you can operate with your fingers. Inside the fuse holder we used 30 amps fuse links. And next we will see the string monitoring control card. This is the motherboard or main control card of the string monitoring unit. This unit will collect the data from Hall effect sensor, which is Hall effect based CTs, and from the status of DC switches, status of SPDs, and the temperature inside the box and temperature outside the box. All these data are collected and displayed here. And the next we have used Hall effect CT. This is Hall effect CT which collects the actual current ampere of each strings. So the entire string command box we have used ETP grade copper busbar which is DINT. Output of this string command box we have used a DC isolator. This is 1500 volt DC rated 500 amps DC isolator. Negative side of the string command box we have connected through terminal block. This is again 1500 volt DC rated terminal block. We have used SS304 A70 grade SS bolt nets here, and we have provided a surge protection device. This surge protection device is 1500 volt DC rated type 1+2 SPD which protects against lightning strikes as well as the switching surges, and this SPD has remote monitoring feasibility, and also this SPD has the replaceable plugs. In case of any failure in the plug we can replace in the future. It has YPV configured SPD. Next we will see solar DC cable. Here we have used 1500 volt DC rated 6mm flexible copper cable which is DINT copper. These cables are UV protected and manufactured as per EN standard. Input side of the DC command box we have used MC4 connectors which is 1500 volt DC rated 40 amps MC4 connectors. These MC4 connectors are IP65 rated fire retardant types. We have provided double compression glands on the output side of the DC combiner box. This double compression gland will be used to terminate their armored cable on the output side. In the complete string combiner box, to manage the thermal stability, we have used air vents, which is air breather on all the sides of the string combiner box, which will be useful for air condensation and maintain the thermal stability inside the box. We have used data SPD, which is type 3 6 volt rated. This data SPD helps to send the data safely to your remote monitoring system, which is the SCADA system. The complete components of the string combiner box are mounted on the GI powder coated mounting plates for better stability. Now we will see the function of the string combiner box. This is 24 strings combined DC combiner box. String combiner box means combining multiple strings together safely and send the single output to central inverter. So here we have got 24 strings which comes through a MC4 connector. From the MC4 connector it goes through the Hall effect CT. Through the Hall effect CT it reaches the string fuses. So the string fuses are paralleled by specially made DINT copper busbar. We specially called it as a combo busbar. We insert inside the fuse and make the fuses on parallel, and after paralleling all these 24 strings it will be connected to the DC isolator. The positive side of the DC isolator will be comes from the fuses. The negative sides of this string combiner box connected through MC4 connector. From the MC4 connector it goes to a terminal block. From the terminal block we take the individual strings and parallel it on the DINT copper busbar. After paralleling 24 strings of negative input, it will be connected to the DC isolator. From this DC isolator, customer has to take the cable and connect it to the central inverter. The string monitoring unit will give you RS485 data. The RS485 data will be connected to a data SPD, and the data SPD will safely transmit to your local SCADA system. In this box, we are monitoring individual string current, string power and string unit, and inside the box temperature and status of the switch, status of the SPDs.